My name is Heath from Fort Worth, Texas. Decided to attend Drone Commander Live in order to learn about new technologies that I'm not familiar with. My background is in technology, working with different robotics and everything, but I've never actually worked with drones. And it sounded like a very interesting opportunity for a business. Attending virtually is challenging, but it's worth it. So keeps you out of the classroom, but at the same time, it gives you the flexibility in order to learn in different manners. Someone who's on the fence about Drone Commander, I would say go ahead and try it out, attend, and you will learn a few things that you probably didn't think you knew before. So one of the most valuable lessons, keep an open mind and regard what you're learning, because it can apply to a lot of different industries that I never thought about before. So my particular industry was to look at it in commercial sense for agriculture support. So I questioned that in day one. When we went over all of the different aspects, it told me a lot of different areas that I could go into, not just agriculture, but real estate and different things that most people would never think about. So enjoy.